Hey guys, it's your girl Faith093. Thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you are new to my channel or over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Okay, so today I am showing you guys a tutorial of how I am installing my soft locks. The hair that I am using is the Bobbi Boss Nu Loc hair, and it is in the 18-inch. So I am going to show you all first, because like these are really long. They're like 36 inches. They're coming all the way down. But yeah, this is the only hair that I'm using. I've seen lots of tutorials of people, they use this hair plus like some like Cuban twist hair or some spring twist hair to wrap. But guys, like I ain't using all that hair. I'm just using this hair, and I'm just wrapping my hair into this crochet hair. So this is originally how long the strand is. So it's 18 inches, and I am making them to where they are this long, 36 inches long, just about. So okay, so you want to take two of the strands and you're gonna open up one of the strands with the little loop, so it kind of like makes a hole. So there's like a hole that you can stick your finger through where you like actually crochet. So I have this other piece of hair. This part has the loop at the top, and at the bottom is just where the strand ends. This is the part that we're going to tie into the hole. So I'm going to take this like this, and I'm going to tie a knot. So I'm going to tie my knot, I'm going to pull it. So now you have your hair strand like this, and the hair that you tied the knot is coming down that way. Okay, so after we've tied this knot, we have this little piece hanging right here. And I do not clip it. I'm going to actually kind of unravel and wind it around this hair. So I'm going to unravel it and wind it around the other hair. So I'm unraveling and winding it around. So now it looks like this. So to try to get this bulkiness out, I'm just going to take my hands and I'm going to palm roll it together, like how when you were little and you used to play with Play-Doh, and just palm roll it. And now it's like this. So you got your long faux lock. Okay, so now I'm about to show you how I'm going to do my parting. And basically we're just going to make some plaits for in my hair. Alright, so I have my little rat tail comb, and I have my jam. Y'all know I like my jam. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit on my sides. Comb that up to smooth it out. Okay, and then I'm going to make my part. Okay, so I got my part straight, and then we're going to split that into two. I'll put that on backwards. But anyways, I'm going to take some more of my jam, and we're just going to make this into a plait. And that's literally what I'm going to do for the whole rest of this section. And I'm not going to braid them down like all the way, just because it's not really necessary. So I braid it down about that far. and just leave the rest of my hair hanging. Alright, so we got the first two. So I'm about to finish braiding up the rest of this. So now I have braided all of my hair on plaits. So we're gonna start crocheting in the hair, and we're gonna start with this bottom row. Clip that out the way. So I'm taking one of my faux locks, and I am opening it up. So I have that hole where it's open, and I'm going to crochet the hair through, pull that latch down and pull through. So then I'm going to open it back up, and I'm going to take my hair and the crochet hair and pull it back through that hole. And then I just pull that hair through. And then I'm going to start like untwisting and wrapping around. So as I am untwisting it, I'm wrapping it around the hair. And I'm going to do that going all the way down my hair. The last part. And so when I get down to the bottom part, I just kind of twist it, and then I'm going to palm roll it. And there we go. We have our lock extension. Alright you guys, so I am back, and I am coming to you all with an update on this hair. I've been wearing this hair for like 3 weeks since I filmed the first part of this video of me installing it. So yeah, this is 3 weeks, and I wanted to give you guys some of the pros and cons on this hair. One of the pros is that this hair looks super duper natural. Like, it looks like I've been growing these locks for years, y'all. I get so many compliments on my hair whenever I do step out into these COVID streets. But yeah, I have been loving it so far, but I'm kind of ready to take them out. They are, I think next time that I do these, I won't make them as long because they are super duper long, and the longer they are, like the heavier they kind of feel. So they don't feel as heavy as like box braids per se, but they are heavier than like knotless braids. And it just takes a lot for me to shower. Like I have to put these up in a super huge bun sitting on top of my head. So yeah, next time I think I might just get like the 2 14 inches and put them together to make it 28 inches and not 36. Cause yeah, this is kind of long and it be weighing my neck down a little bit. Another thing, when I work out and I sweat, I can feel them getting like heavier because I guess the sweat from my head is like getting onto them, and it be weighing it down a little bit more. So that's another con. And this hair is not cheap. So I paid like $7.99 a pack, so that's like $8 for each pack, and I think I got like six or 7 packs of this hair. $8.50. It's about $50, but which isn't like too bad, but it might be a little pricey for some people. But yeah, but those are the only cons I would say with this hair. Otherwise, I really like this hair. I would do this style again. Of course, I would keep it a little bit shorter, keep it cute and short. Maybe, you know, come down just like right here or something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you all think about this hair, how I did this style, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.